Masquera saying muri Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zoom Conversations and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanka kukuya paneno channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungugara ka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi muri Zimbabwe, takugira nyaya ya Buditswa ni faction ya Buddha Citizens Coalition for Change ya Buddha ichiklema ichiti they have recalled my senators that were sworn in on Tuesday. Actually, they were chosen by a faction itungamirirwa na Ncube Tendai Biti and Linet Kareni Konye muri Zimbabwe under the proportional representation quota nyaya ya Buditswa ne New Zimbabwe Pabuda, the former Entumbani Makandeni lawmaker vadingilizwe chuma vabuda chiklema vachiti the CCC chairperson huyo claim vachiri is the Citizens Coalition for Change chairperson vanga vachiti vari kushanda closely na Albert Mhlanga vabuda vachinyora to the Speaker of Parliament vachirikola vapuli pamwechete na Lilian Mlilo pamwechete na Linda Sibanda pamwechete na Colette Ndlovu ava vana vamaseneta akaappointwa akaitwa sworn in musi Tuesday pamwechete navasengezo Tsabangu vapulu hanzi he is a former People's Democratic Party vice president and hanzi ndo vanga vari lawyer wasengezo Tsabangu during the time yavairikola ma legislators ebato retribusi raitungamirirwa na vaNelson Chamisa so vamhlanga vabuda vachiaccusa vaTsabangu vachitaura vachiti vakapika ma former PDP members kuti vave ma Citizens Coalition for Change senators zvisina kugarirwa nevamwe pasi muri Zimbabwe. Vabuda vachitaura neStudio 7 vakataura ivo vachiti and yes, we had a meeting where we resolved to recall them because Tsabangu single-handedly picked former PDP, former People's Democratic Party members where he belonged with Tendai Biti and Jacob Mafume vachiti Tsabangu is trying to bring back the PDP Citizens Coalition for Change vakaendera mberi vakati we are CCC, which was led by Nelson Chamisa. So these PDP members never stopped fighting in the party from the days of the late Morgan Tsvangirai, who is the former founding president of the Movement for Democratic Change. Buddha chema vachiti Tsabangu is trying to bring back PDP yatungamirwa nava Tendai Biti during the time yanga in the Movement Democratic for Change yatungamirwa na Morgan Tsvangirai. So mapost aya akabuda mushure mekunge mama senators triple C akatwa recalled by vasengezo Tsabangu. I claim vachiti he was the secretary. He is the interim secretary general where the opposition CCC party. So the 13 legislators in both the Senate and National Assembly vai replace vakaitwa recalled last year na vasengezo Tsabangu muri Zimbabwe. So ma senators akateka oath mu office musi Tuesday vanga vari vasengezo Tsabangu vaLilian Mlilo vapulu vaLinda Sibanda Colette Ndlovu Sam Chapudza Maxwell Mdluri Teresa Kabondo na Grace Mpande. In the National Assembly vakatora oath where Nomvula Mnguni Otilia Sibanda Lungile Ncube Sibongile Maposa na Skupukile Dube. So ndo vanhu vakasarudzwa nasengezo Tsabangu kuti replace 13 legislators akaitwa recalled na Tsabangu mugore rapura. So this faction yabuda ichitara ichete everyone anga ari ku PDP is going to be recalled, and Tsabangu is trying to bring back PDP iyo yavaitungamirira na Tendai Biti kuti iwanikwe ichi infiltrate the Citizens Coalitions for Change muri Zimbabwe. So tisingazive kuti this faction yetriple C ichabudirira here muri Zimbabwe pakurikola masenators aya, asi last time vakambozama mushure mekunge vataurayo vachiti Sengezo Tsabangu akasuspendwa muparty mushure mekunge asubmita this list remasenators kuZEC without the approval yecommittee iri kunzi yaakuleader bato retriple C, asi vakakundikana. Sengezo Tsabangu akataura iye achiti no one can suspend him in the party muri Zimbabwe akazosvika pakuzobudirira kuitwa senator. So tingaziva this time vachabudirira here this faction ikuda kurikola Sengezo Tsabangu Nevamwe Vake muri Zimbabwe. VaSengezo vakabuda mushure mekunge vaappointwa as the senator weCCC for Matabeleland North Province, vachiclaima vachiti he is the footprint of Joshua Nkomo. Tsabangu vakaitwa sworn in as the senator musi wa5 March. Vanga vakatakura a stick iyo yanga iri similar to the one yaiassociatwa na the late former vice president vaJoshua Nkomo. Vakabuda ku the new parliament building Mount Abden vachitaura vachiti he is the footprint of Joshua Nkomo, and he is going to make sure kuti vision yavankomo ya completwa. Vakabuda vachiti I am the footprint of Joshua Nkomo. So this stick symbolizes the torch bearer that was carried by Joshua Nkomo when he was fighting for the liberation of this country. So I am his footprint. I am going to make sure that what he stood for, I will stand for. His vision is completed. Zvakabuda zvitaurwa navaSengezo Tsabangu. Sengezo Tsabangu is trending. Vakashamiswa vazhinji kuti came vakatora bato retriple C pasina akavapikisa muri Zimbabwe. Ndofunga before my elections hapana anyatsoziva vaSengezo Tsabangu, but right now he is the man of the moment. He is trending nemove yaakaita yekuta take over the party yetriple C, the main opposition party yatungamirirwa navaNelson Chamisa. Ndonyaya yatatavigirai muzuva ranhasi. Itiudze zvamukufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section, kuti this faction ikuda kushaya kurikola vaSengezo Tsabangu ichabudirira here kana kuti. Tiudze zvamukufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Senator, how are you feeling after your swearing in today?
Well, it's a great feeling. It's a great feeling, and I'm happy for the people of Zimbabwe, and I hope I'm going to represent them well. This is the beginning of the new chapter of politics of Zimbabwe, where we are going to focus on the issues of national interest, not party politics.
And for some, does it signify that the party is still alive?
Very much alive. The reason that I'm still standing, the reason that I and my colleagues are still standing up, we're being sworn in today, it's alive to that the party is alive. It's also alive that the movement is alive. It's also alive that we are in control. We are in charge of this movement, and we are going to continue discharging our duties.
What's your message to your colleagues and people who are still sensitive?
Well, time is ticking away from them. They need to embrace the moving train. We are the people who are an alternative. We need to benchmark. We need to put the government on its toes. We need to put ZANU-PF in terms of policy direction in the right framework of discussion. So we are not going to pinpoint each other as ZANU or as Triple C, but we are going to define in terms of principle, in terms of ideology.